Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we will be discussing a significant development in the military landscape of South Asia. India's acquisition of the MQ-9 Reaper drone has created a stir in the region, especially for its neighbor Pakistan. We'll delve into the details of this acquisition and explore the potential strategies Pakistan could employ to counter the MQ-9 Reaper effectively. But before we do that, let's understand what makes the MQ-9 Reaper such a game changer. The MQ-9 Reaper, manufactured by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, commonly referred to as a drone. This advanced drone is primarily used for surveillance, intelligence gathering, and targeted strikes. It possesses an impressive range of over 1,800 kilometers and can remain airborne for up to 27 hours, making it an invaluable asset for long-endurance operations. India's acquisition of the MQ-9 Reaper marks a significant enhancement of its military capabilities. With its advanced sensor suite, the Reaper can gather real-time intelligence, monitor the movements of militants, and provide valuable support to ground forces during operations. The ability to strike targets accurately and effectively at a considerable distance gives India a strategic advantage. Now, let's explore how Pakistan can counter the Indian acquisition of the MQ-9 Reaper. Pakistan has been actively seeking alternative options to mitigate this potential threat. One of the primary avenues for Pakistan is to leverage its existing relationships with China and Turkey, who have developed their own advanced drone technologies. China has made significant strides in the field of drone technology, and its CH-4 and Wing-Long series of armed drones have gained international recognition. These Chinese drones possess similar capabilities to the MQ-9 Reaper and can be deployed to neutralize any potential advantage India may have gained. Additionally, Turkey's drone industry has witnessed remarkable growth in recent years. The Bayraktar TB2, a Turkish armed drone, has proven its effectiveness in various conflicts, including in Syria, Libya, and Azerbaijan. Pakistan has already procured a number of Bayraktar TB2 drones and is actively working to further enhance its capabilities. While Chinese and Turkish drones offer viable options for Pakistan, it's essential to understand that countering the MQ-9 Reaper requires a multi-dimensional approach. Pakistan should not rely solely on the acquisition of foreign drones, but rather focus on strengthening its indigenous drone industry. Pakistan has been making commendable progress in the development of its own drone technology. The Buraq Shapar and Yuka drones are some of the notable examples. By investing in research and development, Pakistan can enhance the range, endurance, and payload capabilities of its drones, effectively countering the MQ-9. Furthermore, Pakistan can also explore collaboration opportunities with other countries that have expertise in drone technology. Joint ventures and technology transfers can help expedite the development and production of advanced drones tailored to Pakistan's specific requirements. In conclusion, India's acquisition of the MQ-9 Reaper drone certainly alters the military dynamics in the region. However, Pakistan has several options at its disposal to counter this development effectively. By leveraging its partnerships with China and Turkey, Pakistan can acquire advanced drone technology that... Additionally, Pakistan should invest in enhancing its indigenous drone industry, as this will provide long-term strategic advantages. By focusing on research and development, Pakistan can improve the range, endurance, and payload capabilities of its own drones. This will not only help in countering the MQ-9 Reaper, but also contribute to the growth of its defense industry. Furthermore, Pakistan should prioritize training its armed forces in operating and effectively utilizing drones in various scenarios. Well-trained and, in addition to technological advancements, Pakistan can also employ countermeasures to neutralize the threat posed by the MQ-9 Reaper. Anti-drone systems such as electronic warfare systems and laser-based defense systems can be deployed to detect and disable hostile drones. These countermeasures have been developed by various countries and can be procured or further developed to protect Pakistani airspace. It is crucial for Pakistan to adopt a comprehensive approach to counter the MQ-9 Reaper threat. This includes a combination of diplomatic efforts, intelligence gathering, advanced drone technology acquisitions, indigenous drone development, and the implementation of effective countermeasures. Additionally, Pakistan can strengthen its regional alliances and partnerships to ensure a collective defense approach. Cooperation with neighboring countries such as Iran and Afghanistan can help in sharing intelligence, conducting joint exercises, and developing a coordinated response to any potential threat posed by the MQ-9 Reaper. It is important to note that the balance of power in the region is not solely determined by the acquisition of advanced drone technology. Pakistan has a well-trained and battle-hardened military with a history of successfully countering various challenges. The strength of its armed forces lies in their professionalism, dedication, and unwavering commitment to safeguarding the nation's security. In conclusion, the acquisition of the MQ-9 Reaper by India indeed presents a new challenge for Pakistan. However, Pakistan is not without options. By leveraging its partnerships with China and Turkey, enhancing its indigenous drone capabilities, investing in countermeasures, and strengthening regional alliances, Pakistan can effectively counter the MQ-9 Reaper and maintain its strategic position in the region. It is important for both India and Pakistan to prioritize dialogue and diplomatic efforts to prevent the escalation of tensions. Ultimately, regional stability and peace should be the common goal for both nations. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video where we will continue to explore the latest developments in defense and geopolitics.